saves the day. Aircraft 42 cleaned by Nearly and her team. Nearly the cat almost got stuck under Aircraft 42, but instead of panicking, she grabbed her team other cats and Henry the dog and cleaned the whole aircraft. Windows shining, tails wagging. Mission complete. What a team! Nearly the cat had a close call under Aircraft 42, but instead of running away, she got to work. With help from her cat friends and Henry the dog, she led a full-on cleaning mission. Windows, wings, everything shining. Watch this adorable crew make the whole aircraft spotless.